Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So this was just in another video that we did a couple days ago, and we had replaced this J-wrap on both sides. This was one of the ones where the wall was broken loose and it was kicking out, damaging the side of the metal down here. So if you're seeing that, it's not necessarily something that we can go ahead and try to turn into the factory, because it's not really a structural issue. It's more of a use issue, more of a wear and tear. So depending on the size of the coach, some of these coaches are pretty long. And when you're going in and out of like driveways, hard or rough roads, or bucking, or let's say you have something on the back that's shaking the coach a little bit more, or in this case, it had a couch back there that was free floating, that was actually banging up against the wall and rubbing the wall up and down. And, sometimes it's also contributed to a slide out, like Terry's rolling that in, a slide out that's out of adjustment that's causing it to flex and pop it different ways. So there's not too many screws that go in the aluminum underneath there. So when we added extra bracing and screws in there, and I have pictures of it, but I didn't get a chance to catch up with Terry before he buttoned it up. So there's a couple different like angle flats, some T's that were bent and put in place, some straps that were added, and then a bunch of screws added into it. Go ahead, Terry. I'm just kind of telling them what you did.
All right, I'm just going to move this over. Is okay?
You got it. And so let me block this license plate for a second. And so same thing on this side. We opened up this side. We actually had another piece of sheet metal here, so we put a new piece on this side as well, and basically did the same thing. So I'll post those pictures and share them online. We have a bunch of different videos on that. So there's even some articles and stuff from some that we found in the past. So it's pretty easy to fix it. It's not nothing that's bad. A lot of times we'll get away with straightening out the aluminum. And then I have another one over here too that I'll show you that's actually on this coach behind me. So this is a 2015 Grand Design Solitude, and it did the same thing. But back in the day when we fixed it, this was before the customer took it on a long trip, this side looked perfect, so we didn't see a need to dive into this side of the wall or into the back wall. But now we're getting ready to contact this owner to say, hey, it's doing it again, and more than likely it's, this side has to come loose now, and then we have to get inside or underneath and figure out what's broken loose in there to secure that. Same thing, let me cover the license plate again here. I'm trying not to get those in there, but here was a side that we repaired about a year ago, and you can see the indentation came back, and you can see the ripple in it. So if you see any kind of rippling or indentations on these sides, just know that rear wall, if it's the two side walls of my hand, that rear wall is shifting side to side and wallering. And again, that's just from going in and out of driveways, hard, rough roads, drops, tight turns. Again, it can be from the slide out rooms being out of adjustment or alignment. So make sure you're keeping an eye on that. We've also seen it up front in different areas as well. We've had it on Reflections, we've had it on Momentums, and other brands. So like here's a Rockwood. Again, I'm trying to get the license plate. Here's a Rockwood behind me, and we've had a lot of Rockwoods do it. You can actually see this one's kind of puckering out a little bit as well. A tattletale will be also that the sealant will separate on the top, or you'll see like rub marks or stuff that's bled out on the end. So, okay, well, I hope this video helps you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll try to reply back when I have time. And then again, just make sure if you're already watching us on YouTube, go to our albums, and I've been trying to put stuff categorized in there for like different scenarios so that you can see whether it's roof maintenance, body maintenance, appliances, collisions, front caps, and so on. So as we keep adding more videos, we'll go ahead and put this in there. I think we're close to like 1,000 videos now, and I know we have several hundreds more, but we just haven't had a chance to load them all up. Some of them were actually older videos from when the wife was pregnant. So we will catch up and put those in there. So hey, you guys have a great one, and we will talk to you soon. This is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist, California Cherokee Specialist.